Hey, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a crash course on video editing. This is the quickest Final Cut Pro intro to video editing that you're gonna find. If you only have a few minutes to learn video editing and you just wanna learn quickly, you are in the right place. I understand that not everybody has hours to learn video editing, which is why I've broken every skill down into 2-minute tutorials. As we go along, I'll be linking each bite-sized tutorial so you can have a more in-depth understanding of each skill, or skip a skill if you already know it. After you're done with this, you're gonna have a basic understanding of everything you need to know in Final Cut Pro to edit your first video. You wanna make sure you're practicing editing, not just learning about it. So this video is designed to get you editing within a few minutes. So let's just get into it. First, let's get familiar with the workspace. This is your timeline. It's where all your clips come together to create your story. The timeline's magnetic, which is a feature that is Final Cut Pro native. I love this because it helps move things around a lot more quickly, and you'll see that things magnetize to either the visual timeline, below it there's the audio, and then on top of the visuals are the effects and text and all of the extras that you add to your video. Now over here you have your events and library. Think of them as your organized bookshelves storing all of your projects and media, and it makes it really easy for you to locate and manage all of your work. For a quick import, simply drag and drop your media onto the timeline or into your library, or you can hit Command I for a quick import and you'll be ready to roll. Now right in the middle you'll see your preview window. This shows the current frame you're working on, and it's essential for making those really precise edits. In Final Cut Pro, I swear by using an ingredient analogy. So there are 4 ingredients that you want to add to each edit, and it's text, effects, transition, and sound. Each of the ingredients can turn simple footage into something way more magical. You want to add these to every single edit to really spice up your edit. For a more in-depth tutorial on each one, just check out the cards as they pop up. The effects and the transitions are going to live on the lower right-hand part of your screen, and the sounds and titles live on the upper left-hand part of your screen. I know video editing in Final Cut Pro can seem daunting at the beginning, but it's all about knowing where your tools are and how to use them. And there's not that many tools that you're going to use over and over again. It's really going to be based on those 4 ingredients, and then you can kind of expand from there. When you're all set and you're done with your video, just hit Command E and put in your preferred settings for exporting, and Final Cut Pro will export your project. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on any of these skills, like importing, exporting, working with multiple camera angles, green screens, or just adding text, effects, transitions. Again, all the 2-minute tutorials are linked below so you can kind of pick your path, go at your own pace, and happy editing. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.